Hello children, hope everybody is safe, everybody is at home. Let's start a new lesson today, linear inequations. Okay, now linear inequations, before that let's see this example. This statement, which is x plus 3 is equal to 5, connected with equal to sign, so you know that it is a linear equation. How do you solve it? X is equal to 5 minus 3, that is x is equal to 2. One unique solution. Consider other case. If the statement was x plus 3 is less than 5, then since this statement is connected, it is comparing the two quantities here, so we called it as inequation. This could also be written as x plus 3 greater than 5, it could be, or it could be x plus 3 is smaller than equal to 5, or x plus 3 is greater than equal to 5. Now how do we solve? Except of some rules are just the same, we shall discuss as it comes the different rules where the changes are there. With reason I'll tell you. Now here x is less than, you transpose 3 on that side, this is 5 minus 3. The answer comes as x is less than 2. Now here when you are thinking of any value of x which is less than 2, you can think x is equal to 1, fine, it's okay. X is equal to 1, if you substitute 1 plus 3, that is 4, less than 5 satisfies. What if you think x is equal to 0? 0 is smaller than 2. Also if you put x is equal to 0, the quantity 3 is less than 5. Some of you may think of some fraction which satisfies. Some of you may think of negative numbers, that is integers, part of integers, that's okay. So what's happening? Here where we had unique solution, here many solutions are possible. So here when you are solving an inequation, you get a solution set. Also whether we are going to take x is less than 2, that is only 1, or you are going to have 0 and 1, it depends on the replacement set. So what is the replacement set? Replacement set could be the set of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, or real numbers. You know about it and we shall revise also. So we understand that an inequation has got a solution set, and the solution set is the subset of replacement set. What are replacement set? That we have seen. Now from your textbook, one example I would like to discuss with you all. We are expected in this class that we shall be solving an inequation and finding the solution set and representing it on the number line. So starting just giving you an idea, actually you have studied in standard 8 still. Suppose we have solved an inequation and the answer is x is greater than equal to minus 2 and x is smaller than 4. There could be many ways to read this statement. I feel if you read it, you understand. In your mind, you are able to calculate what is the range of values for x. Now, how the answer changes depending upon replacement set. If for this answer, the replacement set is n, that is the set of natural numbers, then x is a natural number which is greater than minus 2. 1 being the smallest natural number, our answer starts with 1, it begins with 1, and x is less than 4. So 1, 2, 3, that's it. Our solution set is 1, 2, 3. What if the replacement set is set of whole numbers? Then you know that x greater than minus 2, it will start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Replacement set is set of integers which can be denoted by I or Z. What will happen? Read carefully. X is greater than equal to minus 2. So x can also be minus 2 and minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it, because x is less than 4. The smaller integer before 4 is 3. And the different thing here is, what if the replacement set is set of real numbers? What happens in case of real numbers? You know that if x is between greater than equal to minus 2 and smaller than 4, and between minus 2 and smaller than 4, that is the number less than 4, there are infinite real numbers. Hence, First difference is that here the solution set cannot be in the roster form. You cannot list the elements because in between -2 and -1 also there are infinite real numbers. So we also know the way of writing the sets when we cannot express it all the elements from that. We use set builder form. Set of all x such that R is the set of all x such that x is greater than equal to -2, x is smaller than 4 and x belongs to R. Now, how does representing on the number line changes accordingly? If elements belong to, we have to plot elements 1, 2 and 3. You will be drawing a number line. Everywhere, whenever we talk about number line, we are talking about real number line. There should not be any confusion. We are not talking about real numbers. This number line itself is known as real number line. At the end, 2 arrows should be there. That is to show that it's a line, not a line segment. And on that, you just see what elements you have to plot. Putting the graph means drawing it on the number line, obviously. So, we are going to plot 1, 2 and 3. So, you just write accordingly and select. You can have a darkened circle. You can raise a lollipop as well. It depends on you. And just see that other than 3 and 1, 2 or at least 1 coordinate extra is plotted on the number line. Same is here. You have got 0, 1, 2, 3 selected, shown there, and 1 coordinate extra each side we have written. Then when you have to plot -2, -1, same way they are selected, other care is taken. When we talk about the set of real numbers, we are going to start it with -2. -2 is included, x is equal to and greater than -2. How do you show it? That -2 is included, you darken this circle here. It should be a darkened circle. Then you see the other limit, x is smaller than 4. So here the circle is hollow. In order to show that the real numbers, the set we are talking about is just less than 4. And this is not the element selected here. You can see here. We are joining it with the straight line because the infinite points on this straight line are showing the infinite real numbers between these two limits. So I hope you all have understood, and some more cases definitely we are going to discuss as the question comes. Okay children, till now we have understood that what we are expected to do here to solve a linear inequation, find its solution set and plot it on the number line. Let's start with our exercise 4, question number 1 from your textbook, page number 34 it is. Question is, solve the following inequations and represent the solution set on the number line where x belongs to R. So here our replacement set is R. X is to be chosen from R. I'll show you how do we solve it. You start with 3x plus 5 less than 6x minus 4. Normally what we do, we collect the terms with x, variable x on one side. So I shall have 3x minus 6x is less than, see what left here is minus 4 and what you transpose here is minus 5. Thus you have 3x minus 6x minus 3x is less than minus 9. Now here is something very important point we have. You need to understand. I'll give you one example. If I have got two numbers 5 and 6 and if do I compare, or suppose I have got two numbers say minus 5 and minus 6 and we have to compare. So obviously you know that minus 5, negative 5 is greater than negative 6, right? Now if I just multiply both sides by negative 1, so I will have 5 and this side I'll have 6. I cannot compare in the same way. I cannot say 5 is greater than 6. I hope you understand. This statement will be a wrong statement. So in case I am changing both negative signs here, I am multiplying, I assume that both sides are multiplied by -1. What care is to be taken that when you do, that is -5 multiplied by -1 is 5, and same way it is -6. It is inequality sign reverses. This is what is to be remembered here. So negative 3x is smaller than -9. When we are solving, we are going to have it as 3x is greater than 9. Remember this step. So x is greater than 9 upon 3. That gives you x is greater than 3, or you may write like that way, 3 is smaller than x. X belongs to R. This is what we have solved. Since x belongs to R, our solution set is to be written in the set builder form. How do you write? Set of all x such that x is greater than 3. X belongs to R. It gets closed. And then when you plot this on number line, take care that using the scale you are taking the equal gaps here. Sorry, here I have to write x. X is a real number greater than 3, so at least 1 to the left I need to write here. Suppose I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So my x is greater than 3. So I take 3. It is greater than 3, hence 3 is not included. And all the real numbers, x ka value is all real numbers greater than 3. How do you show this infinity? A straight line, arrow at the end, it shows infinity. Thus is the solution. Now let's take one more example. Third question. Question number 1, third part. 17 minus 2x is less than equal to 3x minus 8. X belongs to R. So here, just now we have seen that when x becomes negative, we have to be more careful. Possibly see that x remains positive. So here it will be good if instead of bringing 3x this side, making it negative. Obviously it's not wrong. We have already seen how it is to be done. But we shall try to simplify our work. So I shall keep 17 as it is. Okay. Minus 8 is brought here. So minus 8 becomes plus 8 less than equal to, you have got 3x and minus 2x becomes plus 2x. So you have 25 less than equal to 5x. That is 25 upon 5 less than equal to x. So we have got simply x is greater than equal to 5. X belongs to R. So simple. Write the solution set. Set of all x such that x is greater than equal to 5. X belongs to R. You can pause the video and you can check if you can draw the number line yourself. I am sure you can do. Number line here with 2 arrows. We are going to take it is more than 5. Greater than 5. So you can take here say 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Select 5. Look at it. 5x is greater than equal to 5. So what is the change as compared to the previous question? Darken circle. Endless it is on the other side. So an arrow here. That's it. This is how the question is solved. Simple. Okay, one more example. Let's see. It's question number 5. First question, exercise 4, fifth part. Now, just look at this part. Left hand side, x minus 2 times bracket 3x minus 1 is greater than 2 into bracket x minus 2 minus x. X belongs to R. So, first thing you need to simplify it. X opening the bracket, minus 6x minus minus plus 2 greater than 2x minus 4 minus x. Now here also again you can simplify the like terms. So this gives you minus 5x plus 2 greater than 2x minus x is x minus 4. Again transpose negative 5 to that side to make it positive. What you are left here is 2 minus 4 is brought here. So what it will become, plus 4 is greater than x plus 5x. So you have got 6 is greater than 6x, that is 6 upon 6 is greater than x, or simply 1 is greater than x, or you may write x is smaller than 1. What is our solution set? Our solution set is x such that x is smaller than 1, x belongs to R. How do you show it using a number line? That of course I leave to you. You all can do it. X is less than, so you need to understand how are you going to do. After you have done it, you can check it. I am drawing the number line for you here. I may draw it here. This can be, say, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and so on. 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. You take here 1 is not included, and all the numbers which are smaller than 1. Okay. Now I repeat here. We are representing all these are the number lines, so arrows on either side is must. After everything is correct, council may reduce you 1 mark if you do not show this arrow mark. That important it is. Also I have mentioned that 1 extra coordinate on either side. Now here infinite values are there, so it's okay, but on the left hand side at least 1 extra coordinate is to be mentioned, and when we talk about the other case on the right hand side also 1 extra coordinate is a must in order to get full marks in that question. That's all for this session. Okay, before we end up, exercise 4, remaining sub questions of question number 1 and all the sub questions of question number 2 is your homework today. Thank you.